Guys, so today I'm gonna be singing a Christmas mashup because Christmas is coming pretty rapidly. So this goes out to you guys. So Merry Christmas. I hope you like it. Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. Whoa, we caroling through the night. Whoa, whoa, this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Whoa, I don't wanna laugh for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. All I want for Christmas is you. He's checking the list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas